Hi friends, welcome to Learning English Vocabulary Lesson 8. Lesson number 8 is very interesting and very easy to learn for everyone. In this video, words are starting with letter B. Let's have a look on the words. The first word is biennial, mean 2 years long or taking place every 2 years. Do sala. Next is below, mean big waves of sea or clouds and steam. Tate marna, barna. Babel, mean confusion of noisy voices. Kai kai. Betide, mean happen to or take place. Two meanings. Aan parna, वाक़ होना. Betroth, mean promise to marry. Engage, नस्बत करना. Bewilder, mean puzzle, confuse. उलझाओ. Bid, mean make an effort to achieve, or next one is try to get. Boli dena. Baboon, mean large monkey and ugly person. Benmans, ya badsurat. Next is bachelor, mean unmarried person and undergraduate degree. गैर शादीशुदा. Next is backbone, means spine, रीढ़ की हड्डी. Next is background. The proper meaning is distant part of a scene. पस मंजर. Backlog, mean reserves. महफूज सरमाया. Backslide, mean give up one's principle. منحرف होना. Backmost, mean furthest to the back, and rearmost, सबसे पिछला. Badger, mean small grey animal. बिज्जू. Badge, proper meaning is design one to show rank. Nishan. Baffle, meaning is prevent. Rokna. Baggage, mean traveler's luggage. Musafir ka saman. Biweekly, mean happening every 2 weeks, happening twice a week, हफ्ते में 2 बार. Thank you for learning with us. I hope you like the new words with letter B. If you like the video, please share it, like it, and click the bell icon to get the new videos. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.